Let me show you how to generate a QR code for any of your design. Welcome to Corero guys, my name is Jim Graphics. So in today's video, I'll show you guys how to generate a QR code for your design. Alright, now this is a program which I designed for a client. Alright, so I'm going to use this design to experiment how to generate the code. Do you understand? Now what you're going to do now is you're going to lay this design just this way. You're going to change the orientation, make all pages to be one. Do you understand? And export it as PDF. So once you're done with that, what you're going to do is come over to file, export it as PDF. Do you understand? Make sure your design is set and everything is approved. Once you do this, you cannot edit it. You will start afresh. Do you understand? Now publish it as PDF. Come over to file and select publish to PDF. All right, file, publish to PDF. All right, now let's say let's use QR code. Let's say program of events. Let's name it program of events. All right, now what you're going to do is click on save. Come over to this and click on save. All right, now once you click on save, this will come up, something here will come up, something, this is it. So it will show you that it is exporting as PDF. All right, so once it's done, it will go off. Right, now let's come over to this, let's come over to the file. Now this is, you can see program of events. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to upload this file on a G drive. G drive simply means Google Drive. You understand? Once you have an email, you can upload to G drive, or you can create a G drive then upload it to G drive, because we can, from there we're going to get the link which we're going to use. All right, now come over to your G drive. All right, how do you locate your G drive from your email? When you come over to your email, you can locate over here. You can see this. All right, once you go in there, you will see G drive. All right, you will see G drive. So once you click on it, it will bring you, this is my G drive. So you can see I've uploaded it. If you want to upload it, all you need to do is just click it and drag to your G drive this way. All right, so once you do that, you will see that it is uploading. You can see uploading one item. Now just wait for that to complete. All right, so once it's completed, this is what you're going to see. It will check just this way. Now we have our design over here. Now the next thing you're going to do is basically you're going to come over to this three dots dotted line over here. All right, and click on it. Then you're going to see share. All right, then locate the share and see copy link. All right, so once you copy the link, you're going to see this. You're going to see something like this, manage access. Then once you, or let's try it again, that's disappeared. Copy link, manage access, click it immediately. Do you understand? If you like, don't understand. Now you're going to see this, so you see it is restricted. All right, now you're going to click on this to change it to anyone with the link, so that if anybody scanned it, they can have access to it. They don't have to start asking for permission before they will get access to it. So change it to anyone. All right, now once it's done, make sure it said access updated. Now you can copy link and click on done. So once you do that, then come back to your Google and type QR code generator. All right, that's on your search bar. Then scroll down, make sure you're on this particular one. All right, this particular one, make sure you're on it. All right, free QR code generator. Click on it. Once you click on it, this is what you're going to have. Now I think we're on the same place, but if you're not seeing something like this, if you're not seeing this one, all you need to do is locate all these places. Let me see. I think they've changed a lot in this. So but for now, you're going to see something like this. Now you'll see where we have data. All right, plain text QR code. Now you're going to delete this and paste the link we copied. Do you understand? Paste the link we copied, then you click on refresh. All right, make sure you click on refresh. Once you click on refresh, this is what you're going to have. So you're going to download this. Click on download. All right, once you click on download, if you come to your download over here, you will see QR code. All right, you will see QR code. All right, so basically what you're going to do is copy it, come over to your design, come to the back page. You can put it in the front page or the back page, anyone that works for you. Then you can basically place it just right here. All right, so anybody that scanned this using their phone, we have access to all the information in this program. Do you understand? They will have all the information, like they can read from their smartphone. Do you understand? So this is how to generate a QR code for any design. So if you don't understand, please let me know in the comment section below. And for those of you who ask me questions, I'm going to attend to you. We're going to take it one after the other. So if you have any question, please drop me in the comment section below, and see you guys in my next